Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the lecture 2 of Software Engineering Basic course. And I want you to know, if you are enrolled in any master's or bachelor program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or maybe this mail to discuss about your coursework or projects you are working on. So I do teach online. I can help you with that, right? With that said, let's start our lecture 2. And also you can download all these handwritten notes from the description. There will be a link about it, right? And lecture 2 says management is the essential activity to ensure smooth workflow of software development process. So this line is also saying that coding isn't the only thing in any software. It has to be following a proper management activity, which we will see how we can deploy efficient management policy according to a particular use case of software development, right? So management has a role, really a big role in the software development. And if you want your software to be developed as a quality product, so there are these 5 boxes. I want you to pay attention to these as I read the statement. So if you want your software to be developed as a quality product, or you want to focus on the quality of your product, then you should follow proper processes. And a process has some set of tasks. So for quality, follow process has some set of tasks, and every set uh, will be executed by a method, right? So there is a chain linked between all these boxes or these concepts. And to perform this whole procedure, you will have tools which will help you. So uh, uh, you want to implement some functionality, that will be the method. And the tool you will be using, maybe Python, maybe R, maybe C++, Java, whatever tool you will be using, that will be your tool. And there will be tool list which you will be specifying for every project in the requirement phase. We will see the requirement phase in the further lectures. Okay, so let's talk about the software development loop. And this loop follows this syntax. So this is the problem definition. Sorry, the M is missing. But you are defining the problem in the very first stage, then you are developing a solution for it, then you are integrating it with a larger system which you have already have. And then there is a thing called status queue, which is the time being. So I have defined this here. So status queue is the state where integrated software is working fine till some new requirements, for which you have to definitely again define the problem and develop and integration. So you can see it is a loop going on. So let me just elaborate it for some of you guys, that you are defining the problem. Let's say you have a word processor as a software, but you are looking for a new feature, let's say a spelling corrector, to be integrated into that larger software word processor, right? So problem definition will be define all the features of that spelling corrector. And then the development phase will be to develop the solution for it, and integration will be to integrate the spelling corrector with the word processor. And the status queue will be the time being for which it will be working fine. Then maybe you want to modify it, or maybe you want to add some new functionality to your word processor, and then you again define the problem for that and develop and integrate, right? So that is the software development loop. And next is the maintaining phase, and this phase is the really important and has a really big role in every software project. And so that's why I've written is really important phase in the software life cycle. So development is one thing, but the actual operation will be done through this maintaining phase. So you develop a system, then you give it to your operation team, and the operation team will maintain this project which you have developed, right? So that was the lecture 2, and I will meet you in the lecture 3 of this course. Thanks for watching.